Ragazzi, vi faccio un brevissimo tutorial in inglese perché MVM mi ha detto ci fai anche un tutorial in inglese? Lo facciamo. E questa è una pugnetta. This is the pugnette because it's very damaged in the back of the piece. The back and the piece is damaged. This work we will do without the putty. We will go with direct to the filler, okay? We weld the plastic welder. If you want to repair this piece, the first step is this. You take this phone and you go in the heat. You go in the heat. Next to do, we have to do the sense on this piece. Dobbiamo dare un senso al paraurti. The sense on the piece. This is my creation. This is for reparation of the plastic. This is the first step. I like this. This is MVM. Next step, we have to do the graphets. We put the graphets on the spec. 1 graphets, 2 graphets, 3 graphets, 5 graphets, 6 graphets, and 7 graphets. Turn the bumper. Next thing, we have to do the svaz on the spec. After we do the svaz, we have the welding machine. This is Italian. This is MVM Automotive. This is the best welding machine for the plastic in the world. We have the air with the azot and we have the bucketings. The bucketings we will go and the weld on the molecular, on the plastic, on the buckets. Okay, for the interior welding, we gear the bumper. Next step, we go and handle the graphets off. Take down the graphets. We do now the svaz on the spec, on the external spec. Now we have to do the take down the paint with this disc. Now we have to do the repair on this side. We have the buckets, we have the welding MVM, we do the repair. Finish this repair, we like it. This is the queen and this is the love. We have to work, we have to do with this. We take the plastic down with this. Now we have to do the grass. We do the grass with this. Next, we do the grass with this. And the next, we do the ultimate grass with this. Grass with this here and there. Look how beautiful it is. The molecules and the molecules. This is plastic, this is plastic. Okay, next step, we have to do the plastic primer. Shaky, shaky. One hand. Okay, with the plastic primer, this is the fond. We upload the fond on the bumper. We upload the second hand of the fond. Wow! The light on the fond is beautiful. The repair is ready. We have to do a little bit of grass and we have to do a little bit of painting. I will show you the final result, but the work is done. I like it, I feel it with my hand, because you must feel it with the hand. The hands is okay. The welder is okay, I am okay. You see the video, you are okay. We are lucky, I am the yes, you are the I don't know. This is the painter, the Italian painter.
The Napolitan.
The Napolitan. The work is good. We are happy about the work.
It's okay.
It's okay. I like it, Nando. You know, in the world, this kind of damage, they boot the paraurt. We don't boot the paraurt. We repair the paraurt. The bumper, the bumper.
Oh, buono.
Do you like?
Do you like?
Nanduzzo? Eh?
Do you like? Do you like?
I like Nanduzzo. Top. Io sì. Voi non lo so.